how to buy Bitcoin pizza token. So this token came under the symbol of pizza, as you can see. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check their community on X. As you can see, they have 349 members there. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created just 6 hours ago and increased by 1,000% in less than 4 hours, and the market cap it's almost to $600,000. Now, this token came under this Solana network. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet. For that, as you can see, so after that, what you need to do is just click here on swap, and now from the top you can select the Solana token, and from the bottom you can click here and paste token address in the search box to be able to add it to your wallet. As you can see, this also gonna click on it, and now here you can type how much you want to buy. As you can see, and here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now scroll down, and you will be able to see here swap. Click on it. After that, they will be able to redirect you to OKX or Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Bitcoin pizza token. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.